Okay, let me introduce y'all to my 1999 Chevy Astro van. She's not perfect. She has a lot of little scratches and things. I should have showed y'all her before I started taking stuff out, but I forgot. There's a lot of not great things. The carpet is pretty messed up. It's not very pretty, but that's all stuff that we're gonna be taking out anyway, so it doesn't really matter. See, it's already kind of falling off, which I guess will make my job easier in the long run. She's a little broken right here, and the back door panel is broken, and the back door latch is also broken. The mirror is also broken, and this is her. Look at her, a beauty, a queen, truly.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, we have a whole van now, and I want to be really transparent with y'all about how much it's going to cost to do everything. So I've had it for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't done any work to it yet, but I'm just trying to get all the stuff figured out for it first, all the paperwork and everything. So total, this van cost me $1,450. And then, I mean, it's pretty old. It's a 1999 Chevy Astro van. So right after I got it, I took it into the mechanic because the temperature gauge was going up really high and the check engine light came on. So we had to get a tune-up, an oil change. We had to take out the radiator, put in a new one, and do quite a bit of other work. So it ended up being about $1,000 just for that. And now today I got it added onto the insurance, and that was $125, which is not bad. And then I am taking it in to get inspected, get the registration done, and get the title changed over to my name. This is actually my first car that I'm ever gonna own on my own, for real. So just trying to get all that paperwork done, and we'll see how it goes from there. After that, I'm gonna start stripping this baby down, and then we're gonna see where we can go. Okay, so I just got my inspection done. I got my car registered, and I got my title changed over to my name, which are all things that, well, no, I've gotten my car registered and stuff before, but I've never done any title work or anything like that done before. It was actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I think I paid $145 for the registration, which is usually $78, and the changing the title over to my name. So not as bad. I really thought it was gonna be like $500 or something. My dad kind of scared me and told me that it was gonna be a lot, but this is not bad. I'm actually pretty excited about this. So now I legally own this whole van, my own van. Amazing. Here we go.
3 hours later.
So it's been a whole day of working on the van today. Got all this paperwork and things done, and then washed a little bit of the inside, the doors and things, just to get some of the nasty gunky stuff out. And now we're trying to get this back seat out. We started right now. I have gotten the seat belts out. They were right here. Now they are over here, and we'll see if we can get this whole thing out soon. Okay, so this is the end of day one, and we've got that back seat out. Still working on getting the seat belts out from up there, but we got them out from down here, and I think this is where we're gonna leave it off. But yeah, that's pretty nice. We've got a back space now. Look at that. This is where I'm gonna be living, right in here. This is it.
Hola compadres, aquí estamos en el segundo episodio de Leslie siendo una pendeja. Go ahead.
All right, hi guys. So here we are. This is day 2. It's a little bit later in the day. It's around 7 p.m., but it was rainy all day today, so we are barely now getting out there. I think for today, my plan is just gonna be to get these 2 seats out, see if I can do that, and that'll be it. We'll see where we get after that. Alrighty, so for the most part, I've been using socket wrenches. They've been all kinds of different sizes, so I can't tell you which one is gonna fit your seats or anything like that, because everything has been different for every single seat. Every single bolt has been different, but it has been pretty challenging just because everything is so tight on there. So for the most part, I have to grab like a hammer and put it in here to help me like turn things. But it only took me one day to get that back seat out, and hopefully in today I'll get these 2 seats out. So it hasn't been terribly difficult. It is just a lot of muscle. It's a lot of elbow grease to get it going. But definitely doable. If I can do this, you can do this. I promise you.
Oh shit, but I don't know if I'm tightening or not.
No, the both ways feel like it's getting tighter. Stupid.
Oh my god. I told you it was this way.
I flipped it back the other way.
Baby.
Oh, maybe I flipped it back the other way. You're not even recording that. You're recording straight fucking nowhere.
In the beginning of the recording, right, but I don't have.
Okay, so I guess I'm not going to be taking the 2 seats out today. It's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Finally figured out how to lift it, so I'm only trying to take it out from down here instead of trying to take off these bolts over here. So it looks like I don't have the size socket that I need, so I'm gonna have to go to the store tomorrow and buy it or figure something else out. But for today, I guess day 2 was a bust. Today we got nothing done. Okay, y'all, so this is day 3. I have gotten the middle 2 seats out. I realize now that I probably should have recorded more. Here, hold on, let me get it in the light. I should have recorded more to show y'all how I took them out. It was actually a pain to take them out. It was a lot harder than I expected it to be. But I'm still gonna take out the front passenger seat and the driver's seat, even though at first I wasn't planning to take out the front 2 seats. I was just gonna cut the carpet from there and then take this out. But the carpet in here, and I'll show y'all in a second, the carpet in here is pretty gross. So I think it would be better, and it's like really furry and shaggy. It's really tall. So I think I'm gonna take it out, all the way out, put new carpet in the front, and then do flooring in the back. I was a little hesitant just because I was afraid that I wasn't gonna be able to screw the seats back in correctly, because it's one thing to take them out and never have to put them back in, but it's another thing to have to put them back in right and sturdy enough. But thank God I'm at my dad's house right now, and he said that he would put them back in whenever I was ready for that. And I'll probably have other people look at the van later on when I do my fan, my vent in the roof, and my solar panels. I don't actually think I'm going to do that myself. I think I'm going to take it to somebody to have that done. So I'll have them check the seats and make sure that they're put in all the way. So it won't be all me. Thank God, because I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, we have all the seats out in the back. It's hard work, y'all. It really is. It's really heavy lifting and turning and doing all kinds of heavy things. But I'm about to go get the carpet vacuumed because I found a lot of surprises in here. It was kind of gross. So I'm gonna get that vacuumed, and then I'm gonna go to AutoZone and see if they can help me take out the seat belts, because I don't have a tool that takes these out. So I'll keep y'all posted on how that goes. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thank y'all for being here with me. I'll be back later. Okay, so my dad had told me that they rent tools at AutoZone, and I should come check here to see if they have anything that I need that he doesn't have. Unfortunately, they only rent like specialty tools, so I needed this little thingy to remove the seat belts, which is different than the things that my dad has. So I went ahead and bought it. It was like $5. Keep y'all posted on how everything goes.
What we do here is go back.
show y'all how to remove your seats. This is my front passenger seat. Again, I'm sorry that I didn't show y'all how to remove the other ones, but this one seems to be a little bit fairly easier. Here, I'll show you what it's connected to at the bottom. It looks like it's just held in by these 4 bolts. There's one way back there somewhere. Actually, here, I'll show y'all. Oh no. It's like way back in there. Not this top one, but there's another one. That one right there. And another one. Jesus, it's hard to see. Okay. On the other side anyway. So I'm just gonna take those out and then the whole front passenger seat should come out. I think I'm gonna leave the driver's seat in for now because I think I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store and get some trips of material, some plywood for the subfloor and some insulation, and it won't fit in my car, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the van to go do that. So I'm just gonna try to take the seat out for now, and then after that I'll take out the driver's seat and the carpet and we'll go from there. All right. Got it off. There we are. This is gonna be my house. I have this much space to live in. Okay, so I'm at Lowe's just trying to get some insulation before I take the seats out and then the van's no longer serviceable. So I got some of this Polypro. Here, I'll show you all this stuff. This is just some like foam core insulation. I saw a van build and they used that and it seemed to work pretty well for them, so I think that's what I'm going to use. I also got some of these rolls of reflectix. I got a large one and a small one to help with insulating the ceiling and the floor. I might need one more of these, but I'm just going to go ahead and get these for now, and then if I need more I'll just that's easy to fit in my car, so I'll just come back in that. So that's what I'm getting for today, and some carpet for the front. So let's go check that out. Okay, so I just got done at Lowe's. I bought the insulation, but they didn't have the carpet that I wanted for the front part of the van. So I'm gonna head to a different Lowe's to see if they have it there. They called ahead and they said that they did, but they also said that they had it here and they didn't. So we'll see how it goes. This is the first time that I'm actually taking the van out a good distance. It's gonna be like 30 minutes, 20-ish minutes from here. So okay, so I finally got the carpet. It wasn't as expensive as I thought it was gonna be. It was only like $38-ish. So that's really good. I only needed 2 yards by 2 yards for the front, but they sell it in 12 feet pieces, so I ended up getting 12 by 6 feet. But I think that works out really well because I'm gonna need carpet for this, for the roof. I'm gonna put it on this back half, under the ceiling that I'm gonna put in. So I think that'll I'll be able to use it, and it's long enough, it spans my whole car, so that should actually be perfect. But that is it, I think, for today. I feel like I got a good amount done, and tomorrow I will be focusing on taking all the carpet out. So stay tuned for that.